Hello everybody. Back out here in the shop, I got a chain to sharpen, and I did a few others here for a customer, and I was gonna go through and sharpen one while you guys are watching here, and I got my ultrasonic cleaner heating up so I can work on cleaning this here carburetor. I don't know if you can see it real good, but it's pretty dirty, and the inside of it's kind of dirty too. Wasn't getting fuel through it like it should, so I'm going to try to clean it up and put it back on the mower and see if it'll run. But I wanted to show you guys my ultrasonic cleaner I got here. I'll move the camera so you can see it a little better. It's back here in the corner. It's heating up right now. It's at 20 degrees Celsius, and I got it heating up to 50, which equals out to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So once that gets heated up, I'll probably do a video on cleaning the carburetor and showing my ultrasonic cleaner. But we'll get back to sharpening the chain here. Sorry about the camera, I'm moving it around there. I'm trying to learn to do these on my own without someone holding the camera and doing it for me. And kind of a learning curve here because I've always had someone controlling the camera for me. We'll see how that turns out there. I got the chain in there. I better get me some glasses on so I can see what I'm doing here and don't mess it up. I always take a paint marker or some whiteout and I'll mark my chain where I'm starting at. That way I know my start and finish point. I'll show you here. I just put a little mark on it like that so you can see where you're starting at. I've made some other videos on this here sharpener from Harbor Freight. Very impressed with it. I've made a lot of money sharpening chains for people, and plus doing them for myself. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up for this chain, which is really close. I need to lower it down just a little, and there's a screw on the top here. I think somewhere right in there. And it looks like I need to go that way with it so it'll catch the wheel. We'll give that a shot. And after I do one, I always take it back off and check it. It looks like I need to go down a little more on it. I don't know if you can see it there. Very good, but it's missing just a little bit down here on the edge of it. So I'm going to lower that down just a little more and see if we can't get that. I think that's got it there. Once you get it set up and going, you go through these pretty fast. I want to hit it just a hair more. Once you get it set up there, it's pretty nice, and you can just go right through them. And you usually skip a tooth on each one when you're doing it. Because then you got to change the angle on it to do the other ones. I also wanted to ask a favor of you guys. I got a son who started a YouTube channel making videos of games like Grand Theft Auto and stuff like that he's really into. And he's having a hard time right now getting subscribers, and I'd really appreciate it if you guys would go over to his channel, maybe subscribe, leave a couple comments or something, boost his ego a little bit, let him know that he's getting people. And I'll put a link down below for his channel, and like I said, I'd really appreciate it. It's hard for YouTubers to get started out unless they got somebody helping them. I built my channel pretty much from the ground up without any help. A lot of learning curves. I've subscribed to a lot of people, commented on theirs, and a lot of social media work with Twitter and all that, and Facebook, and Google Plus when it was still up and going. Now I gotta change the direction on this. It's at 20 degrees, so I gotta change it back to the other way to 20. I need to get me a little light out here so it'll shine down on us, so I got a little bit better view of it. But right now it's working pretty good. And I'm still working on getting my shop set up better. Looks like when you change directions here and you come to the outside link here, it's actually a little higher up, and what the other side is, where it's closer and further away. So you got to make a slight adjustment for that. And I went too far. But if you cut wood, these hairs saves you so much money than having to go pay somebody else to sharpen them for you. Or if you're doing it by hand with a hand file, which I used to do that, and seems like it took forever to do a chain. Only good part is you didn't have to take it off the saw. And we're almost done here with it. So it's pretty quick. If you had enough of these lined up, you can make a lot of money in a day just sharpening chains. And they look pretty good on there. They do. So I got another one sharpened there. And that's pretty basic on doing them. It's not that hard to learn. Watch a couple videos of mine or somebody else's and pick it up pretty quick. Biggest part's making your adjustments and that on it. So my ultrasonic cleaner is up to 25 on the Celsius, and it's got another 25 to go, so it'll be a little bit before I can do my other video on that carburetor. But I'll work on trying to get this one up, and maybe I'll get the other one up tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe, like my channel, comment down below, hit that notification button, and like I said, I'll put a link to my son's channel, and if you could go over, check him out, and maybe give him a like and sub to his channel, and appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.